In the name of God, the most merciful and the most compassionate. Hi everyone, how you doing? The Son and I bid you a warm welcome filled with hopes and dreams. A skill that will transform your financial life forever. Earn while you learn. Copywriting is the skill that will transform your financial life forever. Why? Copywriting is always in demand. Copywriting is one of those skills that will always remain in high demand. It will keep growing in the years to come. If you think about it, every business out there needs a copywriter to promote their products and services. You must make the product interesting, not just to make the ad different. What is copywriting? Copywriting is the process of writing persuasive marketing and promotional materials that motivate people to take action. Copywriting deals with advertising and marketing like writing brochures, websites, and press releases. Why is copywriting an important skill? Great writers with outstanding copywriting skills will persuade readers to click. To understand people, you must know that people will do anything for those who encourage their dreams, justify their failures, relax their fears, confirm their suspicions, and help them throw rocks at their enemies. What is a copywriter's job? Copywriters create all forms of communication, including blog posts, articles, emails, social media posts, sales collaterals, technical papers, instruction manuals, white papers, case studies, website copy, and more. Make yourself your own competition. Strive to be better than yesterday, and you will find the true essence of life. Why copywriting is the best job in the world? It's timeless. It lets you travel the world. Every single business needs it. It pays well. It's a valuable skill for anybody. A copywriter provides perspective. You can earn a fruitful salary even when you are first starting out. And you can quickly grow your rates and revenue as you improve. Can I start copywriting with no experience? It doesn't even require much experience. This job allows you to work from anywhere and be your own boss. A copywriter should have an understanding of people, an insight into them, a sympathy toward them. What makes good copywriting? Once you understand the core needs of your customers, you can start to discover the types of content your business needs. The consumer isn't tomorrow. She is your wife. You insult her intelligence if you assume that a mere slogan and a few vapid adjectives will persuade her to buy anything. What is the value of copywriting? Copywriting is a form of communication, text plus images that will 1. Attract more prospects to your business. 2. Persuade those prospects to buy from you instead of your competitors. 3. Persuade your customers to buy more from you. The art of copywriting is the skill of persuasion. Is copywriting a high paying skill? The short answer is yes. In fact, it's one of the most lucrative skills that a large percentage of people aspire to learn. Decide the effect you want to produce in your reader. Is copywriting a digital skill? Copywriting is one of the elements of effective digital marketing. Make it simple, make it memorable, make it inviting to look at, make it fun to read. Copywriters' salaries depend on your career path. Agency copywriters start at an average of 41,000 euros and work up to an average of 76,000 euros. In-house copywriters start at an average of 41,000 euros and work up to an average of 72,000 euros. Freelance copywriters are doing 86,000 euros. The headline and the content should be interesting enough to stimulate the readers to take action. They shouldn't be boring. Can anyone be a copywriter? Yes, anyone can become a copywriter. You don't have to have a fancy degree or any degree for that matter. You don't have to live in a certain part of the world, have a specific skin color, or have experience in any particular industry. Make the headline unique. What exactly does a copywriter do? A copywriter creates clear, compelling copy to sell products and educate and engage consumers. Flexing persuasive writing muscle on website, blog posts, product descriptions, email blasts, banner advertising, newsletter, white papers, public service announcement, and social media platforms, including Twitter and Instagram and other marketing communication vehicles. The job may also entail brainstorming concepts. Advertising is the heartbeat of a business, the best way to promote the business and get the products to the right prospective clients. How easy is copywriting? It depends on your power of desire. Our desire gives us hope. Our desire gives us inspiration and energy. If you wanted to learn how to become a great copywriter, in our next videos, we are going to teach you step by step how to become a proficient copywriter. The secret of all effective advertising is not the creation of new and tricky words and pictures, but one of putting familiar words and pictures into new relationships. What skills are required? 1. You need to master grammar, English, punctuation, spelling, and adjectives, and have a vast vocabulary to pull from when you write. 2. You must have a lot of resources at your disposal. 3. You must have the ability to create something new. 4. You need to touch a reader on an emotional level. You explore their feelings of happiness, sadness, failure, fears, and beliefs. 5. You must have technical skills that involve basic formatting and utilizing the software. The more you know about the audience you are writing for, the more relevant your copy will be. How to stand out as a freelance copywriter in a sea of freelance copywriters. Choose your niche. Develop a personal brand. Show your work. Publish guest blogs. Write a great LinkedIn profile. Make the first move. Being able to predict and read the minds of your readers are critical copywriter skills. It requires you to separate yourself from your thoughts, preconceived notions, and even desires. You must focus on the needs of your reader only, even if you don't agree with them. I have surrendered to the Lord of the worlds. Break a leg, Sayyid Abul Mag.